Rangmanch is an initiative by Telangana Entertainers Association. It is a series of workshops, panel discussions, sessions, and a lot more which will be done over a period of 1 year. And it will be specifically beneficial to all the artists working in the live events industry. See, the artists working in the second-tier cities are equally talented as their counterparts in the metropolitan cities. However, the support system, the guidance is not there. So, Rangmanch concept was started by TEA. Thinking about that, we can maybe present workshops, we can bring seniors from the industry across the country. We can bring the seniors here to give them sessions and talk about where the industry is moving so that they can benefit from their experience. And that was the reason behind why Rangmanch was formed. There will be a lot of panel discussions happening. See, it has been seen that in this industry, event managers and artists, they work together, and the artists are an integral part of literally every event. However, the second-tier cities artists, they lack guidance. See, in the last 14 years, I've been in touch with the event managers as well as the artists across India, and specifically in the second-tier cities, artists do lack guidance. Event managers face a lot of problems related to that, because there is definitely a lot of talent in them. However, the grooming, the professionalism part, and the saleability that event managers look at, that part is missing, and somewhere because of that they lose on events, or somewhere they stagnate, their careers stagnate. Many of their careers, despite of being so talented, their careers never take off. So this platform is going to give them the reasons, the motivation, and also the guidance by the seniors on what are the things that you are doing wrong, you may be doing wrong, and what are the things that you need to do to make your career move faster. And similarly, it's never a one-way street. So artists also, whether they are newly joined artists, or they are seniors, or whether they're second-tier city artists, or even in the metropolitan cities, artists also face a lot of problems and issues, and they never speak about that to the event managers. They speak about those issues amongst their colleagues with the other artists, and they're very, very small issues. Those common problems actually present hurdles in giving their 100% to the event. So this would also be a platform where the artists and event managers are going to come together, and they're going to have a dialogue about the problems that they face, and we are going to try to find solutions to it. We may not be able to find solution in a day or a two. However, starting the dialogue would mean the artists would understand the event managers' perspective a little better, and the event managers would also understand the common issues that all the artists face. So there would be a better understanding. They will be coming on the same platform. So we are hoping that both of the sides would, the problems would be solving slowly in future. And that was one of the reasons why Rangmanch would be beneficial to both.